Hi, I'm Lisa Bond. I'm the Marketing Director here at MergeWorks, and welcome to our roadshow. We thought we'd share a few of our products with you and give you some more idea of what we do. On this product video, we're going to show you all about our stackers, which are cubicle extender panels. When we first started, this is how we did stackers. You could mount them on top of a workstation very easily. We've also done a few variations so you can see how we've evolved with our stackers. This is our regular stacker. It can go up to 30 inches high. It can go up to 60, 72 inches wide. And we have different kinds of clamps. We have a square clamp, and we also have a top tower mount, and you can use those. And these are actually adhesive mount, so they are removable. We also have something with if you have a metal top cap, which is magnet, you can hear how hard this magnet works. The nice thing about if you have acrylic stackers is once the acrylic wave is over, you can actually change the acrylic into an acoustic piece using the same clamps, very easily installation. Just unscrew at the back here, replace the acrylic panel with an acoustic panel, and you have a very useful extender panel. This is our invisible mount stacker. It's made with our EcoScape 18mm, and it actually mounts invisibly. These are actually removable. They can also be permanently mounted. And once you have the panel on top, there is actually no clamps seen. Now I'm going to go to some of our other stackers here. We also have notched out our stacker. From our original stacker, there's about a ½ inch gap between the work panel surface and the stacker. With a notch clamp, we notch it out so there is actually no gap here. The nice thing here, we also have tension mounts. We have these in 3 sizes that fit from a 1 inch panel width to a 3 inch. This up here is our stackers for glass panels. A lot of workstations have glass panels, but they're not high enough. Well, we've developed a panel that actually fits on top of the glass. Again, it's a square edge panel, just sits right on top of the glass, and it clamps to the glass with our square clamp, and then you can put on top your acrylic panel to make it even taller. That's it for our stackers. Hope to see you soon. Thanks.